Hi everyone, it is Tuesday, May 26th, and we are on our last week of school for the year. And I know, boys and girls, how crazy this year has been. And we're not ending it the way that we hoped, but I just want to say a huge thank you for all of the hard work you did while we were not able to be together. So we have lots to celebrate this week. We are going to start with our May birthdays. These are the rest of our May birthdays. Cody C., Ivy F., Kinley E., Gabriella G., Eleonora B., Brooklyn B., Owen M., Theodore T., Taylor F., Bo B., L D., Claire W., Emerson W., Aaliyah Z., and Cullen P. Happy birthday to all of you. So you're having your birthday this week, because May ends on Sunday. So next Monday will be June 1st. So while you celebrate your birthdays this week, I hope that you get to do something extra special and fun. Now, we always like to do our summer birthdays, and so I'm going to read through our June, July, and August birthdays. I'm just going to read first names, and I just want to wish all of you that have a summer birthday a very happy birthday. So here's June. Jace, Ivan, Kaylin, Nora, Rowan, Maya, Greta, Grace, Layla, Madeline, Liam, Joe, Bryce, Logan, Eva, Carter, Tyson, Lucas, Isla, Gracia, Brooklyn, Ari, Jackson, Zachary, Bryson, Lillian, more June ones, Julia, Piper, Nathan, Levi, Jace, Madeline, Kaylee, Gavin, Evan, Holden, Amber, Chase, Thomas, Cameron, Gavin, Jack, Luke, Kamea, Milo, Harper, Abigail. Those are our June birthdays. Have a happy June birthday over the summer. Here's July. Sophie, Maxton, Tanner, Kendall, Jesse, Revel, Josie, Warren, Amelia, Abigail, Paige, Finnegan, Summer, Colin, Mason, Elliot, Lauren, Kendall, Adam, Henry, Mira, Stella, Clara, Harrison, Maisie, Tommy, more Julys, Aaliyah, Ryan, Levi, Adelie, Julia, Zachary, Cooper, Lucas, Quinn, Jasper, Stella, Hannah, Addison, Mallory, Rachel, Dahlia, Lucas, Oscar, Kayla, Weston, Drake, Isla, Carmen, Harrison, Charlotte, Lauren, Jaden, McKenna. Happy July birthdays. And here's our August. Ava, Luca, Remy, Christian, Jens, Luke, Kadam, Paisley, Miles, Edison, Athena, Mara, Josephine, Riley, Brody, Eli, Liam, Cora, Caitlin, Kennedy, Elise, William, Aubrey, Julia, Eleanor, Devin. Here's more. Riley, Nick, Serena, McKenna, William, Gabby, Aiden, Blake, Liliana, Emmy, Trent, Madeline, Harper, Kenley, Elena, Daniel, Annabelle, Emma, Ivan, Aubrey, Grant, Andy, Bodie, Monica, Colin, Felicity, North, Zachary, Dahlia, Maya, Sloan, Asher, Greta, Georgia, Malia, Wells, and Kinley. Happy birthday to all of our summer birthday kids. Now, it wouldn't be right if we didn't include our staff. So here are our staff summer birthdays. In June, Miss Lisa, Mr. Moroshik, Mrs. Smithers, Miss Page, Nurse Jen, Miss Norton, and Miss Janet, one of our kitchen helpers, have birthdays. In July, Mrs. Pompey, Mr. Utes, Miss Mary, Miss Wells, Miss Kate, Miss Stadler, Miss Ann, Miss Taylor, Mrs. Anderson, and Mrs. Barstead have July summer birthdays. And here's our August. Mrs. McKay, Mr. Jeff from Project Kids, Mrs. Allen, Miss Cindy, Miss Staley, Mrs. Durnan. I get to have a birthday this summer. Mr. Halder, Miss Sherry in the kitchen, and Miss Darcy. So those are all of our kids and all of our staff, and I hope you all have a great, wonderful birthday. All right. We always do our birthdays, then we do our pledge, so we'll do our pledge. Last one of the year, boys and girls. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And I can't wait to restart this next year with our second graders and having you come down and help us with the pledge every Monday. So thank you for participating. Okay, our trivia question, not trivia, but our voting question was favorite pet. And the winner is dogs. Dogs. This is a very cute picture. It looks like a little puppy dog. So a lot of our kids love dogs. All right. We are going to be having our summer reading challenge again this year, this summer. It's going to look a little different, okay? So it's going to start on June 1st, which is next Monday. Same goal is to read 20 books over the summer. You can fill up as many sheets as you want, so you can read more than 20. So there is a reading log sheet that's attached in the email, and your moms and dads can print it or make a copy. Now, if you are not able to print or make a copy, you can use any piece of paper at your house. You can use just a plain scrap piece of paper. You can use just a plain white piece of paper. So if you're not able to print the log, that's okay. Just make sure that you put your name and your grade on your sheets. Because when we come back to school next fall, you can bring your reading log sheets back and you will all get a special reading certificate and a prize. Anybody who does it will get a certificate and a prize. So read over the summer, okay? Let's see. Congratulations, second graders. You have finished your time at the primary school and you are ready to enter as third graders at the intermediate school. It is going to be a fabulous experience. And you know, we have something special planned for you guys on Thursday. I hope you can come through for our drive-through parade to celebrate our second graders. So we look forward to having you visit between 5:30 and 6:30 on Thursday. And we can't wait to clap and cheer for you as you are ready to become intermediate students. And we are going to miss you so much, so we cannot wait to celebrate you on Thursday. All right, you guys, be stars. This is going to go all the way into summer now. Be safe, use teamwork, take pride, be responsible, show respect. You do it anywhere you go this summer, okay? Anywhere in the community, if you're out in a store, if you're at home with your family, be stars. And as always, if you would like to listen and watch the primary school song, you can certainly do that. Moms and dads, thank you so very much. And grandmas and grandpas, for everything that you have done for the last few months of this school year. By all means, it was not an ideal situation for us, and we certainly tried to make the best of it, and we could not do that without your support and without your partnership. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for assisting in this journey. And I know that it has not been easy, but we certainly want you to know that we could not have done this without you. And thanks again for everything. We look forward to seeing all of our first graders and our kindergartners next year. This time you'll be second and first graders, and we'll be welcoming in some new kindergarten friends. So again, have a great summer, and I miss you all. Take care.